Yo guys, what up? Back again with another photography video. You guys seem to like the last one here. I got a lot of good comments and stuff like that, so I'm back at it again. This time we're in the rain. It's raining, and yeah, first of all, give me some support guys. Smash that like button. Check it out. If we can get this video over 100 likes, I'll do another rain video. I'll do a rain video at night. How about that for you guys, okay? Come on. So give me some love here. Smash that like button. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. We do mobile photography, mobile filmmaking in the rain. So we're gonna jump in the Fimo app, and we're gonna use Tokyo 500 today in the daytime. And it's a little bit different than the V3 500. So it's also another cinematic one. So Fimo app, Tokyo 500, let's get it. See ya. All right, we're gonna load up the Fimo app here. And again, we're going Tokyo 500, which I already got it loaded, but just to quickly show you guys here in the film. I know everything is sideways here. I'll have to rotate it for you. We'll go to retro. Oh, there it is. Tokyo 500. We're gonna be using this one right here. Cool shot. We got a bunch of repeating objects. Let's kind of frame that up there. Snap that. Nice. Gonna try to get a lot of shots with people struggling in the rain, just trying to deal with it. So that's gonna be kind of my focal, trying to find the people who are just struggling or dealing with this rain. Typically when I do these type of walks, I keep the phone in my hand. I keep the app open. Go! I keep the app open because if you have the app closed, you have your phone in your pocket, there might be a moment that you want to capture. By the time you take out your phone, fire up the app, that could be 2-3 seconds and the moment's already gone. So I just keep everything open, keep the app open, keep it ready, with my finger on the trigger. Alrighty, let's wipe that off there. That's a wrap, guys. Show me some love, guys. Smash that like button. Let's get this over 100 likes. Show me some love. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Links down below. We got the website on there, t-shirts, the whole deal. Email list. Make sure you join that email list, guys, because you get some exclusive videos that don't get posted on YouTube on there. Definitely, we got a couple of videos coming up about how I'm creating YouTube videos just using a cell phone. We got a podcast coming up here too, which probably already should be out, hopefully by the time you guys see this video. But if not, take a link down in the description. All the info's there. Keep filming, keep shooting. Patrick Levar. Peace.